Witch Hazel acne products are popular because of the plant's powerful antioxidant and antibacterial properties. Witch Hazel can eliminate bacteria on the skin, clearing pores and reducing oil buildup in the T-zone and other acne-prone areas. It will also help to control any redness throughout the day, so an application at midday is going to help you to look your best. To treat acne, apply Witch Hazel to breakout-prone areas to ease inflammation. It's best to use the product when you first notice a pimple forming so that you can immediately eliminate the bacteria and sebum. Use a cotton ball to gently apply Witch Hazel to the area several times a day. Start slowly, giving your skin time to adjust to the substance's astringent properties. You might even notice oil and dirt coming off your skin onto the pad right away.
If you like my videos, give it thumbs up and share with your friends.